In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text with an outline in Canva. Let's get started by opening a template in Canva. You can use any size or theme you like. Think of where this text will live, like a social post, a thumbnail, or a presentation slide. A clean background makes gradients pop, so a simple template or a blank canvas works really well here. Now add text to your design. Go to the text options and choose Add a Heading. A heading gives you a large, bold starting point, which is perfect for gradients and outlines because the effect shows more clearly on thicker letters. Type any word or phrase you want to style. Short words or a brief title look great, especially if you're aiming for high impact. If you want a quick visual check, keep the text in the center of your canvas so you can see the effect as it builds. Change the font to something that suits your design. Fonts with strong, wide strokes, like display or bold sans serif styles, tend to showcase gradients and outlines best. If your font offers styles or weights, select the variant that gives you enough thickness for the effect to be visible. With the text selected, open the color options to change the text color. Look for the Gradients section and click See All. This reveals a range of preset gradient patterns that instantly apply to your text. Choose a gradient that creates good contrast with your background. Warm to cool combinations or complementary colors can add depth, while subtle tonal gradients give a refined look. Remember, you can always test a few options and see what reads best at a glance. Next, open the Effects panel. Select the Outline effect to add a stroke around your gradient text. This is what makes the letters stand out cleanly from the background and gives a polished, graphic look. Adjust the outline thickness to suit your design. A thinner outline works well for a sleek, modern style. A thicker outline adds bold separation and makes text easier to read from a distance. Aim for a balance where the gradient still shines through without the outline overpowering it. Finally, change the outline color. High contrast colors, like a dark outline on light text or a light outline on dark text, improve readability. You can also pick a color sampled from your background or from one end of the gradient for a cohesive palette. That's it. Gradient text with a crisp outline in Canva. Try a few font and gradient combinations to lock in the look that fits your project.